Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode manually on your Soundcore Life P2. So first of all, just be sure that both earbuds are turned off. And how to check it? Just click once on each button, and when this indicator and is not turned on, it means that the device is completely turned off. Next we have to click and hold these buttons together at the same time until this indicator turns white. And next we have to release the right one and keep holding the left until it starts blinking quickly. Let's do this right now. Release the right one, keep holding the left one, and now release. As you can see, the left one is blinking quickly. So right now when you go for the paired new device, we will find our Soundcore Life P2 at the list. We can click to pair them. We are connected. We can perform the sound test if they are synchronized. Yeah, I can definitely hear sound on the left and the right earbud. So that's how we can do this. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.